Hello there.
Hey people, Kiara here from MyDigi Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business using simple TikToks that you can make in seconds. Alright guys, so just follow me along here. Now, my goal here, I made a channel called Motivation, I think it's Motivation Connect TikTok. Well, I'm trying to get it to get sales on this business here in a very simple way and easy to do way. Very easy to do TikToks. TikToks is the most lucrative social media out there when it comes to getting sales right now. So I thought, let's see if I can make this work. And I want to show you guys if it started working or not. I have no idea. I have no idea if this will work or not. I'm just trying it out and see what happens. So yeah, that's my start, guys. So anyway, make sure if you want to follow along, you can. The link's in the description below. If you want to sign in to the $25 one digital business, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell, and let's get started. All right, so first and foremost, what I want to do, I want to look at our channel here and see how it's doing. I'm gonna refresh it here. Okay, it's not growing super fast, but it's growing, which is important. I'm a very believer of consistency overrides everything else. So me posting multiple times a day on these days, and I keep doing that, the faster I'm gonna start growing, and eventually something gonna go viral and make it blow up, I think. But anyway, we're still seeing numbers and we're going up. We had 67 followers. We need 1,000 followers to make this a link, which is what we're trying to work towards here. Okay guys, first off, let's go to motivation. Let's go and find, we need us a quote. So we're gonna go to Pinterest here. We're gonna put in this quotes. Let's go down a bit because we don't kind of explore a lot of them. Do it for the people that want to see fit. Okay, we did that. Work until you no longer have to introduce yourself. Did not wake up the day to eat. A negative mind will never give you a positive life. There we go. I like that one. A negative mind will never give you a positive life. Right, we're gonna make it. I think I'm gonna bigger. I like that. Okay, gonna stick with it. That. Now we're gonna make it, I think, negative mind. I think I want to make it blue. Which blue? No, I don't like that. You know what? Let's just do this. Yep. Okay, so a negative mind will never give you a positive life. I like that. All right, so we found that. Now we need a video here. So what I like to type in is either like beach, luxury, something like that. So let's go with like island. Let's try that. Island coast. Vertical. Getting kind of similar pictures here, which is good. I was hoping to find see something a little different from what I've been seeing. That's what we're looking for. Remove. Okay. Let's go with this one. All right. So we're gonna use that video. Hit it right here. It got sound, so we're gonna block the sound. Edit the background here. Replace the background with it. And what I want to do also, I want to brighten it up. So edit video, adjust beta here. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna brighten it up with brightness. And I want to brighten it up with contrast. Contrast a little better. And we're gonna add some saturation. I like really colorful stuff on TikTok. I think the colorful stuff get more looks. So now it looks very, very bright. Kind of a long video though. Let's pick something else, guys. It's too long. Video's too long. Pick something a little shorter. I just realized how long the video was. So we're just gonna use a different one. But we're gonna do the same thing here. We're gonna do the same thing. We want brightness, contrast, saturation. Alright, that's good. All there is to it. Now we need to get a song to play. Let's look here. We're gonna go to Chosit here. I'm gonna lower the volume here so you got it won't pick up on the mic here. Hopefully. So what I'm gonna look for, I personally like cinematic and motivational for these videos, but we could pick either one. It doesn't really matter that much. So we're gonna go to page. I'm gonna just go to page 4. I'm just randomly go to it. Do I got that? Sounds very similar to something I got. Let's see. Audio. Uploads. I meant to say upload audio. Trailer. Story. I don't think I got it. Okay, we're gonna go with it, I guess. Epic cinematic trailer. Let's see. Got it. I'm not entirely uh-oh. Sorry guys. Clicked on the wrong thing. I don't see it nowhere. Now we change that volume. Gonna bring it down to this. Alright guys. So pretty much we're kinda on the done end here. Hold on, give me a second. Yep, I like it. Alright, so that's real solid, real quick, and we're done guys. With that with making that TikTok. Very interesting, right? So what we're gonna do, we're gonna come here. So copy that like that. On reality fast. Okay. Now we're gonna upload right here. Copy paste. Upload here. And we need to figure out when the next time here. Today is Thursday, right? So 9 a.m. is what we shoot. Go back 9. Alright. We're pretty much done, guys. All we gotta do is wait for the video. It's pretty easy to do once you do it, man. It's real easy to do. Let me see something. A negative mind would never give you a positive, like, think positively. They pick be positive. I'm just gonna pick be positive. There we go. And it's pretty much like All it is saying the same thing, very short. That's all I do really. So we're just waiting on the video to finish downloading here. Okay, it's almost done. I just had to make sure I hit download. I wasn't too entirely sure. But yeah, we got it all done completely here. Video's almost finished. And there's not much more else to say about it. And the thing is, what we want to do is slowly build this up. Now, here's the thing about these TikToks. You can slowly build these up, right? And you can just start making more accounts. Make a bunch of accounts. Basically, just shooting out all of these videos, you know, when they so easy to make. And just shove a bunch of them out there. And that'll be that. I was wondering, man, it was taking a long time. Alright guys, so that's all there is to it. We got the video. We wait for it to check the copyright check, which is absolutely positively no issues detected because we made it ourselves. I showed you guys on me making it, and we're done, guys. Video schedule. Go out there and you see how simple that is. It's very easy to do. Once again, if you want to follow along, the link is in the description for the $25 online digital business. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.